Good morning guys, in front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and let me show you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So if you wish to speed up your device, you can smoothly do it by clearing some cache, and to do it just enroll settings, then locate apps, okay, so I am not able to locate them. Here they are. I missed them. So now enroll all apps that you have, go to see all apps, and go either app by app from top to the bottom, or start with those apps that you use more frequently. Just pick the particular app, then go down, and here select storage and cache. Select clear cache, and that's it. Then do it for each app of yours. It will definitely speed up your device. And obviously clean up your phone as well. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.